Hello student, in this video I am describing 8.3 of NCERT, okay, and this is the complete solution. At the end of my whole videos I will also posted some important questions for board examination, and in the next video I will explain the accurate solution of that assignment. So this is a complete series and you have to see all the videos simultaneously one by one in a sequence order. In this way you will remove your all doubts regarding trigonometry, and this is the foundation for your higher classes, because in higher classes trigonometry is the most important topic of mathematics. So let's start the video. And question number first, evaluate sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. This is equal to sine 90 degree minus 72 degree upon sine 70 cos 72 degree. Here, since 18 degree plus 72 degree is equal to 90 degree. So these are the pair of complementary angle, because the sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degree. So you will eliminate any one in term of others. Here I have eliminated 18 degree in term of 72 degree. So this becomes cos 72 degree and this is cos 72 degree. Since sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sine theta. This relation, and this becomes, after cutting, this becomes 1 and this is the final answer. Second one is tan 26 degree upon cot 64 degree. As usual, you are watching here the addition of this 64 and 26 is equal to 90 degree. So you will eliminate any one in term of others. You will always try to eliminate the bigger one. So this should be eliminated, and you will write this term as it is, tan 26 degree. Don't change 1. You will allow to change only 1. Okay, don't change both simultaneously. If you will do like, if you will change both simultaneously, you will never get the answer. So change only one angle at a time. And cot 90 degree minus 26 degree. Since 26 degree plus 64 degree is equal to 90 degree, this implies that 64 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 26 degree. And this is tan 26 degree upon tan 26 degree. Since tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta, and cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta, and this becomes 1 after cutting, and this is the answer. Okay, now question number 3rd is cos 48 degree. This is cos 48 degree minus cos 42 degree. This is sine 42 degree. Here 48 degree plus 42 degree is equal to 90 degree. Therefore you will change bigger one, that is 48, and you will write here 90 degree minus 42 degree and sine 42 degree. This becomes sine 42 degree minus sine 42 degree. Since 48 degree plus 42 degree is equal to 90 degree, this implies that 48 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 42 degree. Also cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. We will explain the trigonometrical identity used side by side. In this way, you will be learn to all the trigonometrical formulae, and that will be helpful in higher classes. And this becomes 0. This is the answer. Now question number 4. It tells that cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. So cosec 31 degree minus sec 90 degree minus 31 degree. This becomes cosec 31 degree minus cosec 31 degree. Since sec 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta. This is 0, sorry, this is 0, and this is your final answer. Question number first. We have to show, so you will write here LHS. LHS is equal to what? Tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree plus tan 67 degree. Okay. Now watch this question carefully, and these are in the product form. So you will make the complementary angle formula, complementary angles, pair of complementary angles. It means find the pair of complementary angles here. Here these 48 degree and 42 degree are the pair of complementary angles, and 23 degree and 67 degree are also another pair of complementary angles. So you will write these two, associate tan 48 degree and tan 42 degree together. It means tan 48 degree into tan 42 degree. You will associate these two together, and another two together also. 23 degree, tan 67 degree. Now, as usual, change any one angle in form of other. Okay, so tan this is 90 degree minus 42 degree, and we will write these terms as it is and peak bracket here. And you will change this one tan 23 degree, and this is tan 90 degree minus 23 degree. This one. And this becomes cot 42 degree into tan 42 degree. And this is tan 23 degree and cot 23 degree. Since tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. This is explained in my theory section. Okay, so this becomes 1 and this is also becomes 1, since cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. You will write here tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Here angles should be same, then this result will be applicable. So please note the angle here and here should be same, so it becomes product of tan theta and cot theta becomes 1. Here angles, here 42 degree and 42 degree also, and 23 and 23, this is tan, this is cot, so it becomes 1, and this is also become 1, and finally 1 into 1 is equal to 1. This is RHS, this is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, question number 2. Okay, this is also LHS is equal to cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree. Okay. here 38 and 52 make a pair of complementary angles. So you are requested to change any one angle in term of other one. So 52 should be changed into 38. So this will be written as it is, and this is cos 90 degree minus 38 degree, and this is also sine 38 degree and sine 90 degree minus 38 degree. This is cos 38 degree and this is sine 38 degree. Sine 38 degree and cos 38 degree. Right here sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sine theta. And these are the like terms. So this will be cancelled out, and this is 0, which is cancelled out. Okay. Answer number 3rd. Okay, we have been given what? Tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Okay, so and we have to find the value of a. For that, we will change either this into cot or this into tan. So please always change cot into tan, or you can also change tan into cot or cot into tan. For that, what can you do? Write here tan 2a, and here you will write tan and put a big bracket here, because this is the compound angle, and write here 90 degree, and this angle should be written as it is. Okay, and if you will find here tan 90 minus theta, this whole is theta, this is cot theta, and so this becomes 2a is equal to 90 degree minus a minus 18 degree. After comparing both the side, this is here tan and this is also tan, and this tan associate angle 2a, and this tan associate whole this angle, and as these two ratios are equal and these have same form, therefore their corresponding angles are equal. Please note, don't cross out these tan and tan, because these are not product. Tan and 2a are not in the product form. This is the single form, and you will write like this, and alongside you will write on comparing. Okay, now this is a simple equation for you, and this has been done by you in previous classes in algebra. This is 2a, and open the bracket here, 90 degree minus a plus 18 degree, and now keep this a in left hand side, 2a plus a, and this will add up 8 and 108 degree, and this becomes 3a and 108 degree, and a is equal to 108 degree by 3, and this becomes a is equal to 3 and 6, 36. Okay. And this is your final answer. Now question number 4. In this question we have to prove some things, and but we have been given tan A is equal to cot B. Okay, this implies that tan A is equal to tan, you will write here tan 90 degree minus B, because we have to bring same T ratios here and here. and this will be written like this because tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, and that is tan 90 minus b equal to cot b. So for you will write here tan 90 degree minus b is equal to cot b, and after comparing a is equal to 90 degree minus b on comparing, and bring b in left hand side, b equal to 90 degree and so on. And this is the requirement. Okay, now answer number 5. In this question we have been given sec 4a is equal to sec given we have been given sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree. This implies that sec 4a is equal to sec 90 degree minus a minus 20 degree, and this is the big bracket. Since sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and after comparing 4a is equal to 90 degree minus a minus 20 degree, and this is the simple equation in one variable, a plus 20 degree, and this is 4a plus a is equal to 110, and this is 5a is equal to 110 degree. This implies that a is equal to 110 degree divided by 5. This is 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10. A is equal to 22 degree. Is the final answer. Okay. In question number, answer number 6. In this question, in triangle ABC, a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree by ASP of our triangle. The full form of this angle sum property of a triangle. Now keep angle B and C in left hand side. B and C is equal to 180 degree minus A. Now divide both the side by 2. Divide both the sides by 2, because this is the requirement of your working, because in question you are watching b plus c by 2, hence why I have divided both the side by 2, so you will get b by c by 2, or this is 180 degree minus a by 2. Now do alternate division here, b plus c by 2, and this is 180 degree by 2 minus a by 2, and this is b plus c by 2 is equal to, this is 90 degree minus a by 2. Now take sine to both the sides, because in LHS you are watching sine b plus c by 2, sine here, so you will take sine both the sides, and similarly you will take sine here 90 degree minus a by 2. You will write here, take sine to both the sides. This is sine to both the sides. Both the sides. You will not write here multiplying both the side by sine. You will write like this, take sine to both the sides, and you will write it as it is, because this is the requirement of your question and this is LHS. And now this becomes sine 90 minus theta cos theta, and theta at a place theta a by 2 is written, so you will write here a by 2, and you will write here sine b plus c by 2, or hence proved. Okay. In answer number 7, you are asked to convert the T ratios having the angle between 0 to 45. So you will write here sine, this is the question, 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. So you will write, if you are writing here cos, then this becomes 90 degree minus 67 degree. And if you are writing here sine, so you will write sine 90 minus 75 degree. So it becomes cos, do the simple subtraction here, this is 3 and this is 8, 23 degree, and this is sine, and after subtraction you will get here 15 degree, and this is your final answer. Okay, you will write here sine 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, and this is cos theta, and cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. Okay, this is the end of my video. At the last of the chapter, I will provide you the important question for the examination together, and finally I will also explain the answer of that questions in another video. So all of you are requested to watch my series of my videos carefully, and you will sure obtain the honorable marks in your coming paper. Okay, that's all.